Now, these are just part of the different recordings or training with students that, after the recording, after the class, I have the recording and save it to individual folder. So you can see different folder over here. Now, I think this class was yesterday. Okay, no, this is the one ongoing right now. And these are all folders. I believe you know that, right?
Yes.
Okay, look at this now. This is a class that I had on the 7th. That was yesterday. Whose class is this? Yesterday was a Wednesday. Okay, this is a data analytic class. Yes, with a woman in US. Now, I have a folder over there because usually the way it is now, it won't make sense to me if I have a lot of it. I needed to move this file, which is the class. This is the video recording of the class. So
Okay.
what I would do, first and foremost, I usually delete these two. I don't need them. I highlight, I press delete, and they go straight to my recycle bin. On the desktop, there's a recycle bin on your desktop, just like
Yes.
on your phone. Okay, so whenever you delete. So what I expect you to do is I want to move this now. Where am I moving it to? Look at where we are moving to. Let's go back to the name is Ola. You can see this data class. So this is where I want to move it to. I want to move it to this folder. This will be class 8 or lesson 8 here. The one is not here. It's on my other system. So now you can see what we want to do now. So I will go here because that's what I was expecting you to do just for a practice. I will come to the class was on 7, which is this date. And then I click on this. You have two options, whether to copy or to cut. Now, let me ask you, which one will you advise me to do? Should we copy from here and move it to the other one? We cut it from here and put it in the other one. Which one should we do and why?
Like you said, if you cut it, it no longer exists. It will no longer exist here.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you copy it's like you duplicating it.
Okay.
So what of in a situation if I cut it and where I was taking it to, I didn't get it. So
The
for me,
interesting
I
thing
would have
is
loved to. I
no,
would
no,
have
no,
loved
you have
to.
not lost it. Hold on.
Okay.
If you cut and you have not dropped it where you are going, maybe you couldn't find that place again. Nothing will happen to the file. It won't move.
Okay,
Are you with me?
because when you left yesterday, when we finished,
Yeah.
I tried to do another work,
Okay.
and then I tried moving it into the folder that was created. So what
Okay.
I don't know whether if it is successful or not.
No, you know what? We have, you can cut or copy file. You can cut or copy text. Are you getting me now? Text is whatever I have written on my screen. That's text. Like I type somebody's name. That's text. If you cut and you don't paste that one, you will lose it. But when it comes to a file like this, if I do cut with Control X or I click on this to cut, you can see what happened to it. Though it looks a little bit different, faded, but it's not going to leave here until I paste it to where I am going to. Assuming that I didn't eventually paste it there, nothing will happen to it. It will still be here.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
In a situation like this, which one is better? Is it to cut or to copy?
I think
Advise me.
should I cut?
Advise me. Why? Let's ask the question why.
Like you said, if I cut it and I take it,
Exactly.
it
So it's better you will cut because I don't want to, it will occupy my
must.
space. Yeah, and it make it to feel like, why do I need to duplicate? Since I'm moving it somewhere, it's to cut. So now we have cut, and then we go to where we want to go, which is Owoka, and then I'm going to do paste. I can do it from here. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can click on this or I do Control V, Control and letter V. So I paste it. So now you can see it came here. Now I want to rename it because this doesn't make sense. Like this, look at this now. When I look at this, I saw text function, exercise review, data analysis lesson 5 text function, date function, aggregate function. Now, all of those things. without opening the video, I already know what the content is all about. The same thing I need to do to this because this doesn't make sense at all. So it doesn't make sense. So I need to rename it. How do you rename it? Let me show you a shortcut. You can click on it like I've done now, not double clicking. Then press the F2 on your keyboard. F2. Do you have F2 on your keyboard?
Yes.
Okay. That's a shortcut to rename a file. If you click on any file and you press F2, it's going to highlight the content so I can delete what is there and type a new thing in that particular space. Okay?
Yes.
So I go ahead and press F2. As a matter of fact, I want to copy this. Let me show you another one. Because this how to, the whole essence of this is to learn how to work smarter and faster. So I'm not going to teach you 1980 method or process. Things are changing. So the way we work has changed a lot. Before now, there's nothing like all of these shortcuts are not here. You have to right click and you have to go and select copy, especially if you don't know the shortcut. So, but now they made life much easier. You have all the shortcut icon for some of those things at the top over here. So I'll do here. I'll follow over click on this. I press F2 and I copy the content because I want to edit what is here. I'll just press the tab key. It will move my tab to this new video. I do Control V or I click on this to paste. Where is paste? Control V. I paste what I copy from there. So it's the same thing. I just want to edit this instead of typing everything afresh. So I will leave data analysis. This should be lesson 8, 8A. And I'm going to look up. Okay, let me just do 8. I call it lookup function. Lookup functions 1. Okay, there's going to be 2 sections to that. Lookup function 1. Then I press enter. So now I'm done moving that file and renaming it. Let me go back to where we moved it from and check that folder. This is it, 0701. Look at this. It is empty. So it's gone in a new folder. We cut and paste. So this folder now, I don't need it again. So I can just hit delete key on my keyboard and delete it. I hope that is clear.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.